Hey folks, this is Gabe at Security.org, and are you looking for just a ton of cameras and maybe 4K cameras at that? Well, we may have the solution for you today with our look at the Lorex 4K active deterrence system. In today's review of the Lorex 4K active deterrence system, we're going to go over some pros and cons, the feature set, the installation process, the customer support, before going into that mobile app experience, and then I'm going to let you know exactly who I think this camera system is for. Now, if you want to read a full comprehensive review of the Lorex 4K active deterrence system, head on over to Security.org. There you'll find my review of that system along with comparisons with other systems and tips and tricks on how to make your home secure. Let's kick off today's look at the Lorex 4K active deterrence system, going over some pros and cons, beginning with the pros. And I have to start out with that amazing 4K high definition video quality. It looks great in the daytime. It even looks great at night with this infrared LEDs, even have color night vision available to you. I mean, I was honestly just really kind of blown away by how things looked with the Lorex 4K active deterrence system. On top of that, you have the long lost ability of local storage with the Lorex 4K active deterrence system. You're talking 2 terabytes of storage. You can get continuous recording, so you can just constantly be watching from 4 to even more different cameras each day. And finally, it is incredibly hardy. Each camera is IP67 rated, which means it can handle 131 degrees to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So the range of temperatures, and frankly, in Tennessee, where I am right now, we have lots of tornado conditions, and it's done really well. It hasn't had any issues with the rain, the high winds. It's just been a very hardy overall experience with the Lorex 4K active deterrence system. Now, when it comes to cons with the Lorex 4K active deterrence system, I have to state that the major con was the fact that I had to use a display to set it up. I mean, I get it. It's something that you want to always be able to see. That's the point of systems like Lorex, but it was still annoying that I couldn't even set the cameras up without having an external display. Now, when it comes to the design on the Lorex 4K active deterrence systems, remember, these are what I like to call bodega cameras or corner store cameras. They're cameras that you kind of want to be seen. They're a little bulky. They're not the sleekest, but you know, they're decent design. I like the color scheme, that black and white, and you're going to see them around the premises, be it your home, be it your business. You're going to know what's happening. You're going to know that you're being watched. And they have what I like to call 3 active deterrence features. 1, the fact that they are quite visible. 2, they have an LED light that can be seen. It's quite bright. And 3, they actually have a siren. So if you really wanted to make someone be aware of their presence, you can actually just hit the button on the mobile app and that siren will go off. So really useful elements with that Lorex system. Remember, you can actually add up to 8 different cameras to this system. So it's not just the 4 that we're looking at today. You can add more cameras to the system. And you should note though that these are not wireless in any sense. They must be connected at all times to both power and the DVR to get that nice, beautiful visual. Well, hold on. I hope you're enjoying today's look at the Lorex 4K active deterrence system. Now, if you want to be kept up to date on the newest in home and digital security, subscribe to our channel, Security.org. We're dropping new content weekly. All right, let's get back to the video. Now that we've gone over the pros and cons and the design for the Lorex 4K system, let's talk about that feature set, beginning with that 4K video quality. I mean, it just looks great. There's nothing else you can say about it. I've really just enjoyed looking at the trees, looking at the pool, not the garage as much, but just really looking at the nature around my parents' home. Now, on top of that, you have a 98-degree field of view. So it's capturing not everything in a space, but what it is capturing well. And I say that because you have really solid night vision. And not only that, if you have enough ambient light, you can even get color night vision with the Lorex system. So you're really going to capture everything beautifully no matter what time of day it is. Now, I do want to note that the frame rate for the Lorex 4K system isn't particularly fast, and so at times it can look a bit choppy, but honestly, I was impressed by how well it looked in a variety of conditions. Now, the Lorex 4K system also offers you a ton when it comes to motion detection. You can decide what motion sensitivity you're using. You can decide if you're going to have that person and vehicle detection on. You can even decide on motion zones. And so you have 4 different cameras where you can set up the entire zone, the entire area in which you're actually going to be paying attention to people coming in and out of that space. So you get a lot of flexibility and customization with the Lorex 4K system as it pertains to motion. Likewise, with notifications, you get a lot of flexibility and customization options. So I can decide, for example, what notifications I'm going to receive from each camera individually. I can even set up schedules for motion detection or motion notification for each camera individually. So you really get a lot of opportunities because you know the front of your house may be different than the back of the house, that may be different from the side of your home, and you have the ability to really make it what you want it to be. And that comes to the same extent when you're looking at the activity. So if I'm looking at activity, for one camera, I can look and see, okay, this is what happened. This is when motion was detected. I can do this for each camera, go through, see when the motion was detected, really get down into the nitty-gritty of the activity for each particular device. So one of the significant elements of the Lorex 4K system is the ability to have 2 terabytes of storage. And that means you can have continuous recording. So when I'm looking at continuous recording, I'm deciding, okay, I'm looking at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, as much as that 2 terabytes will take. And remember, I can schedule it out to make it as little or as much as I can handle in terms of viewing. And if I decide, you know what, this is not everything I want, if I want to take it down a notch, I can even do manual recordings whenever I'd like, and manual snapshots. So if I see something, if I see a bird, if I see something I want to take a nice video of, a nice snapshot of, I have the ability to do so directly in the mobile application. Now, when it comes to actually accessing that footage, I have a lot of options in terms of seeing it. I can go into the mobile application and go into my timeline. And in my timeline, I can go to 3 days ago, 2 days ago, and see what took place and watch it. I can download those clips and share them with other users. I can even go into the hard drive where that 2 terabytes is located and watch my clips and download my clips there. So you see that actually the Lorex 4K system does have a rather robust feature set. Now we're talking about the installation process with the Lorex 4K system, and frankly, it is a process. Remember, these are 4 cameras that you're going to set up around your home or business, and that's going to be 50-foot wires because they have to remain plugged in both to the power and the DVR itself. So it is going to take you some time. But that being said, it ultimately isn't too difficult of an experience. But I also want to remind you that you're going to have that DVR plugged into your router, and then that DVR also plugged into an external monitor. So you need the external monitor, you need a router right there of some sort to plug it into, and then you can go about the process of setting it up. I would say it took me about an hour for all 4 cameras. So let's talk about your customer support options with the Lorex 4K system. And you do have some phone support, you have some chat support, but honestly, it's not the type of system that, everyone has your system. I mean, Lorex has put out tons and tons of systems, different models. It's really going to be very particular to you. So it may be difficult to get exactly the answers you need when it comes to Lorex. So I just don't want you to have super high expectations of the customer support team. That being said, I didn't have that many issues, but it's just not like the typical customer support that we've seen from some of the major companies out there. Now I want to jump into the mobile app experience with your Lorex 4K system with Lorex Home. And honestly, it has pretty bad reviews. It has a 2 out of 5 star rating in the Apple App Store and a 2.6 out of 5 star rating in the Google Play Store. And honestly, I think this reflects the fact that it's not the most intuitive app, at least as what we've come to expect from modern home security systems. We actually felt and were surprised, honestly, by how much we were able to get out of it. So let's go ahead and check it out on my iPhone 10. So here we are checking out the Lorex mobile application, Lorex Home. Now, right at the bat, you see that I put it to the side door. But what's interesting about Lorex system is that they have so many channels that they actually have all those channels available to see. And we put all those on the top so you can note that there's offline availability. But let's jump right into a vision of what's going on. Now I'm looking at what's happening in the yard in this moment. Now you see there are a lot of different things you can do on that page, but let's first just start out by go ahead and just seeing that large view. So here we are checking it out, beautiful day in the neighborhood. The Mr. Rogers tip is going well. Now, if we wanted to see other cameras at the same time, we could do so by simply hitting on that 4, and then we get to 9. So we can actually get a really solid perspective of everything taking place on the premises at the same time. Now, if you know, I can go directly to my timeline and then I can see everything that's taken place in the past few hours. So if I wanted to go back, I can go directly in, and now look, I'm seeing what took place around 3:38 at my home. Now, if I wanted to take a snapshot of that, I could with the bottom left-hand button. If I wanted to take another video, I could do that to the right-hand side. So you have a lot of different options. I can pause it, I can go back, I can go forward. You have just a lot of different places you can go. Now, I actually want to look at some of these other settings. Now, I can go into the device recordings for each day, or I can go directly into our settings, and then I can decide, well, what do I want my notifications to look like? What schedule are they going to be on? Do I want to get, recordings and notifications all day? Or do I want to set it to, maybe just between 3 a.m. and 1 o'clock? Well, I can do that right here in the app. I can decide to get those push notification thumbnails. Now, one thing that I particularly like about using this app is the ability to actually go in and set your motion zones. So you see now I have the motion zone set for what is really where I want to be paying attention. Maybe I want to spread it a little bit to this direction, as you can see, but let me go ahead and clear that area. Let's say I just wanted to see what was happening on this quadrant. Well, here I am. Now I've decided that this is the only thing I'm going to see from this camera in terms of motion alerts, motion notifications. So it really gives you some flexibility. Now, I'll be honest, this is a really interesting direction that Lorex has gone in, really kind of bringing us a little bit more utility out of its mobile application. So let's go ahead and save that motion zone. And that's really useful. Even detection settings in terms of sensitivity can be changed. So I can decide, all right, I want to, get people, I want to get vehicles, I want the motion sensitivity to be in the middle. So I don't want to get every little thing, every little squirrel maybe, but I want to get, most things that are taking place. And I can go in one direction or another between 1 and 5 when it comes to that motion sensitivity, that person and vehicle detection. You can go into your continuous recording schedule. Right now, I'm constantly recording everything. I am basically never going to miss a thing that's happening outside of my home. That's a really useful element, and that's the case with each one of my cameras. But remember, I can decide each one individually, and that's really where Lorex is changing the game as compared to many of the other home security camera systems out there on the market. Now we can go into our device storage. If I wanted to, reformat, I've decided I don't need to see anything in the past, I can do that right here. I can decide, all right, I don't need to see any more. I can go into my time zone. I can share devices. And you'll note here that we've decided to call this entire system the Security Lorex, but I've given each of my cams an individual name. So if I wanted to go in and change all of that, I can do so. I can just change the name to each one of the actual devices. Now, one thing I want to show you is this activities. Now, when I go into activities, I can see all the things that took place today. I can see all the things that took place yesterday, and I can see this for each one of my devices. So you can see a number of different motion detections activated. On the far right, you have that account setting. And the account setting allows you to decide, if I'm home or away, what happens. I can look at my various devices. I can go into my manual recordings and snapshots. So the other night I was, wanted to play around with the Lorex. I was able to hey, let's just go look at just my bald head. So I'm getting the shot of me, kind of getting up close and personal with my camera. And so here it is, just able to really easily just do that manual recording. Didn't have to wait for a motion detection. Just did that on my own. Well, that's our look at the Lorex Home mobile application for your Lorex home security camera system. So we've gone over a lot today, and I look at the Lorex 4K active deterrence system. And you're wondering, Gabe, who is this really for? Who needs all these cameras? Who's going to benefit from this? And I'm going to let you know, the Lorex is for the person who wants constant sight of everything. You want to see what's going on in all the different parts of your premises, be it your business or your home, especially if you have something like a compound, and you're going to see everything. You have 4 cameras that come with it. You can make that go up to 8 different cameras, so you can really just have an eye on everything. On top of that, you're going to see it beautifully. You're talking 4K vision. I frankly just like to watch it. It's like the Nature Channel or something. It's very relaxing. On top of all of that, you just have to buy it once. It's a one-time purchase. You have 2 terabytes of local storage, ensuring that you're capturing everything. So you don't have to worry about paying for cloud storage because everything is going to be right there for you to watch and for you to only have to pay for one time. So ultimately, that is who I think will most benefit from a system like Lorex. It's not going to be for every person, but for people who really want that all-encompassing, all-seeing vision, you're going to get it with the Lorex 4K Active Deterrence System. All right, so that's our look at the Lorex 4K Active Deterrence System. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please drop us a line below. We'd always love to hear from you. And if you appreciated today's video, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. As always, this is Gabe at Security.org. Be secure.